Hello guys, this is Captain Tomar Awdhesh, and today we'll talk about how to select FTO in Cadet program. So we had many people approaching us that explain how we can select a particular FTO. Like if you talk about Indigo, they have multiple FTO, two in India, one in Australia, other two is in South Africa, then they have in Australia. So how do you select them? Which one I should go for? So now I'll tell you. Obviously, I can't choose for you. I can just suggest you what you can look for. First thing is you should not be worried about job security. All the FTO are Indigo partner, and they have a same standing with the company as any other one. So you don't have to worry about job. All of them gives you the same job as a first officer, as a junior first officer. So one thing is settled. Second, many people asked for is a training standard. See, these are big organization, and cadet pilot training is standardized. Now, Indigo has given them a particular standard. Ki I need a candidate of this standard. Our training should be done with this schedule. So all of them are following a similar training procedure. So you don't have to think about which one is giving a quality training, which one is not. Because if that is not a quality training, it would not have been there in the list of Indigo Cadet program. So again, that should not be a concern for you to think about. The only thing you should probably be careful about crowd. Some of the FTO is now either overcrowded or they are running at overcapacity. So what do you have to find out? Which FTO is running overcapacity? Because if it is running at overcapacity, it will take more time for your training. The more time it takes, it is a cost for you. Because if you finish in 2 years, then and in some other place you finish in, let's say, 2 years, 5 months, that 5 months salary is a lot. So what you probably try and select whichever is a little faster and which is giving you a opportunity quicker. That one, those things you should be thinking of. You can research how many batches are going on in particular FTO, how many are in pipeline already. This will give you a good estimate of what are the capacity of the flying school and how much they are training right now. Apart from that, there is no difference in any of them. All of them are one of the best organization which we have. So you don't have to worry about it. Thank you so much. And if you have any concern, any other query, please reach out to us. We will be available and try to help out for any concern. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.